Daily basis we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today we are watching Nifty, and in this video we will show Nifty, Banknifty as well as Finnifty also, how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Okay, in Nifty buy call generated, but in Banknifty yesterday itself buy call started. So today it's just following the trend. Buy call started yesterday at 3 o'clock. Here only started 45,692. At that buying momentum following today also. In Nifty, a fresh call generated. Today it's a expiry day. It's a weekly option expiry day. After 10:25 July 20th, a buy call begin. That straight white line from green color candle, entry point line. Buy at 19,836. First target is a 49 point target, second target it's a 99 point target. 19,885 is our first target range, 935 is our second target range. Daily basis in live market, automatically it will generate calls like this. You can watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. It's a simple buy sell signal generator. Okay, you will get the call, you just need to place the order. For plan detail, if you want to auto trading also, that is also possible. For plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. After 2 hours of market momentum, it break out the first target range. During first 1 hour, market traded very flat momentum, not much movement, very low volume. After 12 o'clock, we can say during 12 o'clock, a sudden volume boost happened. During that time, it started to break out the first target. Finnifty. In Finnifty, we are using 3-minute chart. In Finnifty, it's a very low volume, low movement. So we are using 3-minute chart. But on daily basis for Nifty and Banknifty, we use 1-minute chart only. It's a 1-minute chart is a good scalping strategy. So, but in 3-minute, due to low volume, we are using 3-minute chart. Okay. In Finnifty, buy call generated at 20,383. First target is 434. It's a 50 point first target. Second target is 485. It's a 100 point second target. Both the target are achieved in a single candle, sudden market momentum. So it break out both the target. Like this today in Finnifty also call generated and achieved the target. For chart plan detail, if you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll send you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.